म्हणजे आपल्या आसपासची बातमी असेल आपणा सर्वांसाठीची. आपण पाहत आहात 7 मराठी न्यूज. नांदेड येथील इंटरनॅशनल स्कूल ऑफ बिझनेस अँड मीडिया या संस्थेच्या 2001-2003 या शैक्षणिक वर्षातील माजी विद्यार्थ्यांचा स्नेहमेळावा उत्साहात पार पडला. तब्बल 25 वर्षानंतर एकत्र आलेल्या माजी विद्यार्थ्यांनी जुन्या आठवणींना उजाळा देतानाच संस्थेने आपल्या व्यक्तिमत्व विकासात, नेतृत्व गुणामध्ये आणि व्यावसायिक जडणघडणीत दिलेल्या योगदानाचे आवर्जून स्मरण केले. भविष्यातही ज्ञानाधिष्ठित पिढी घडविण्यासाठी संस्था आणि विद्यार्थ्यांच्या पाठीशी उभे राहण्याचा निर्धार यावेळी माजी विद्यार्थ्यांनी व्यक्त केला. याविषयी घेतलेला खास वृत्तांत आपल्यासाठी. धनराज खंडाळे, 7 मराठी न्यूज, पुणे.
Most of us. At that point in time, we didn't join ISBN. We joined Rotary. He was the brand at that point in time. So the brand that, and very right question. So now people join because there is a 25 years history. People know ISBM. There is an alumni. But at that time, I still remember my sister was in Symbiosis, and Sir was director there. And it was that Sir has started a college. PK has started a college. Go and join. That is what it was. So we joined him.
We all of us joined because this is the college of Dr. Pramod Kumar. ISBN at that time was not known. It is now that has developed after 25 years with our batch and other batches. At that time, it was only because of Dr. Pramod Kumar we have joined.
Today, what you see is an institution actually. ISBM as an institute.
Yeah.
But way back, 23 years, 25 years back, it was only Dr. Pramod Kumar.
It was just one man army, I would say.
Yeah,
one man army.
Apart from Mr. Choksi sir, and
Haan.
because Choksi sir was also like brand in itself of the
Yes.
corporate world.
And we have actually learned, though it was a new college, we have learned from best of the professors that time. We had best of the technology at that time, we just said.
Yeah.
So it was like nowhere less than any established college at that time. You name the technology, we were doing it. Harvard Business Review, Cambridge Business certification we did. So I think there was no compromise. It was actually बहुत बड़ी चीज़ थी. No compromise at that.
2001-2003 के समय हार्वर्ड बिजनेस रिव्यू, कैम्ब्रिज, इसके लिए काफी फीस लगती थी. इनके लाइसेंसेस बहुत महंगे थे और वो सब कॉलेज में प्रोवाइड करना so that the students are up to the mark with the technology and what's happening around.
एक इंसिडेंट याद है, जैसे हम लोग स्टूडेंट्स थे 2001-2003 में, और काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट्स का इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज वीक था. अब इंटरव्यूज क्लियर करना है तो आपको इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज अच्छा होना पड़ेगा. तो डॉक्टर प्रमोद कुमार ने हम सब का इंग्लिश स्पोकन क्लास, सो दैट वी क्लियर द इंटरव्यूज, वी क्लियर द जीडी एंड ऑल दिस. सो जब जो ग्रूम किया उन्होंने हमको, जहाँ जहाँ हमको ज़रूरत था एज ए रॉ स्टूडेंट, ही टुक केयर ऑफ एवरी पॉसिबल थिंग so that we survive in the corporate world and we flourish in the corporate world.
मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा रीजन अलग भी था. My elder sister was part of the first batch, so I have actually seen him on wheelchair in that HR share after the accident with multiple fractures in his both legs, shoulder, neck, and still I think within 15 to 20 days he was in the wheelchair in campus. And I was that time not part of ISBM. My sister was there, so I've seen that with our batch had not started. I've seen that HR share, and I was like, how is this man doing all of that, right? That was one of the points. And of course, then there's renowned faculty, his name, right? And what they were trying to do. Then I see my sister as well being there, right? And I think each one of them, even our senior batch, the first batch, I think everybody is successful in their own ways, doing very well. That speaks volumes. I think. So when I saw him there, that my respect was very high. It's very difficult with that pain, with painkillers. You are trying to get that first HR share, and if they're planning to postpone the HR share, he said nothing will get postponed. Right? They said we'll postpone it by a month. You know, it might be an accident. Then nothing will get postponed. It has to happen on the day we have planned. Right? And he, along with the students of that batch, first batch, they made it happen.
We did that from Ruby Hall Hospital.
हमारा सेकेंड बैच जो कि 2001 में कैंपस ज्वाइन किया, 2003 में पास आउट हुआ, वो आज 25 साल के बाद वापस आईएसबी में है. ग्रेट प्लेजर, बहुत ही खुशी है. एंड so it's a great pleasure to host 25 साल के बाद सेकेंड बैच को कैंपस में. ये 25 साल पहले विमाननगर कैंपस में थे. बहुत सारे हैं जो कि इस कैंपस में, नए कैंपस में पहली बार आए. कुछ तो उसमें से बीच में कई बार आ चुके हैं. तो कैंपस रिक्रूटमेंट के लिए भी आते हैं, लेक्चर्स के लिए आते हैं, स्टूडेंट्स के लिए वर्कशॉप भी करते हैं. It's a great pleasure. It's a very touching moment, very exciting moment, and very, very warm feeling. Very, very warm feeling to have them back in the camp.